will go on to the end. It will fight in France. It will fight on the seas and oceans. It will fight with growing confidence and growing strength in the air. It will defend our island, whatever the cost may be. It will fight on the beaches. It will fight on the landing ground. It will fight in the fields and in the streets. It will fight in the hills. It will never surrender.
Ladies and gentlemen, rocking the Midwest for more than 40 years, would you please help me welcome Hurricane Express?
Pusher sugar running out, kill him if he stands, and I kill him in the Bible, and it rains or wind might go. Calm down, the pusher. Calm down, the pusher. Damn the pusher man. Across the ocean in leaky boats, across the endless sea, looking for a new home and a chance to live and to be free. Now 400 years later, if you take a look around, yeah, across this entire nation, there's little freedom to be found. Is the time left to change this? Didn't happen, Jack was at the door. When good men do nothing, it's time to stop the madness, cause you know some things are worth fighting for. It didn't happen overnight. No, it didn't. Just a little at a time. Trading your freedom for safety till you have neither by and by. Get up your rights and defend your home and protect the ones you love. Now some folks say it's just a choice to kill your babies in the womb. What the hell has happened to you? Come on now. What are you thinking? doctor, you can keep your doctor. Magna Carta Constitution. Ten Commandments, Bill of Rights. Are these just empty words on paper? Or are these just lines that tell us how to lead our lives? Hitting one against the other. Divided Congress like glue. By class, by race, and by religion. So you're all alone against the wolves. They said they're here to serve the people. They say they know what's best for all of us. But the times, they are changing. Time to stand up and shout. Time to let your voice be heard. Come on. Let your voice be heard.
Hi, Tom Jackson. How you doing, man? I'm a little bit cooler now. I took the jacket off. You got your jacket off as well, eh? Well, I want to thank Missy, my daughter, for straightening out our little debacle there. We didn't get onto our Facebook page when we wanted to. Something was wrong with Facebook itself. So my daughter is filming it from her TV. For all you fans out there.
I think what happened is, I think they blocked us because of Dave, the drummer.
I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it. You see some of the stuff he puts up? Unbelievable. I can't believe he's still living.
He's a pretty wild guy.
That's it. I'm amazed that he's not in jail. Well, he has been in Facebook jail.
Hey, Tom Jackson doing, bro?
Like the eyes of a cat in the black and blue. Something is coming for you. Look out! Wait for the morning. You can hide in the sun till you see the light. Now we will break, alright. Gotta get away. Get away, yeah, yeah. Between the velvet lines, there's truth is honesty, yeah. The vision never dies, but it's never ending with a tiger. You can feel his heart, but you know he's clean. All that never been seen. Yeah. Holy diver, you running bleed. Holy diver, you running bleed. My holy diver, all right. Holy diver, Tom Jackson. Nice job, Tom. Welcome all the Facebook fans. This is brought to you by Melissa's TV. What off the first CD? gonna have Dave Hare sing one for you.
Gentlemen, Dave Hare, he went to Juilliard. He is the master of the cowbell. You feeling it? Yeah, baby. I'm feeling it.
I'm feeling it.
I am. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, Mr. Postman. Mr. Postman, look and see. Oh, yeah. Is there a letter in the bag for me? Please, please, Mr. Postman. Oh, lady, I've been waiting for such a long time. There must be some word today from my girlfriend from so far away. She didn't call to make me feel better by sending me a kind of a letter. The postman, look and see. Oh yes, there's a letter in a bag for me. Please, please, been away such a long time. Oh, a letter from that girlfriend of mine. Bring it.
I met a just old barroom queen in Memphis. She tried to take me upstairs for a ride. She had to heave me right across her shoulder. She just don't seem to drain me all my mind. She's a whole keeps on winning. Give it a honky-tonk roll. Later divorce, say in New York City, or it could have been Milwaukee. Had to put up with some kind of a fight. The lady then she covered me in roses. Well, she blew my nose and then she blew my mind. It's a whole keeps on winning. Give it a honky-tonk roll. Give me some guitar. It's a honky-tonk woman. Give it a honky-tonk roll. Going on the boulevards in Paris, as naked as the day I will die. The ladies, they're so charming, they're embarrassed.
the key with the hunchback juice and a sentimental news. Operation Phil and love the well of an SS home, making scary sounds. All right. Tom Jackson, how you feeling tonight, brother? This one's for all you ladies out there. Because without you ladies behind us, no one would ever take the damn garbage out or put the toilet seat down. Mr. Jerry Unger over there. Cassandra, Jessica won't play ball. Sandy won't date her friend. Miranda doesn't anybody live at all. Sandy just got way too much baggage and that shit just gets old. Sandy don't leave me empty-handed. Got a number from the bathroom stall. I got a girl down on the zone. Down on the side, how far you will go. He ran cold legs around that road. He lives on lives and on we go. She takes it all nice and slow. Pump dancing. She don't play nice or makes me beg. She dropped that skirt around her leg. I'm sitting right by the stage. Pump dancing. Your body lights up the room. I want her all to go like you want that the other girls won't. Sandy's gonna save herself for marriage, but that just not my style. I want a girl that's married, and that the girl goes wild. I got a girl, she can put on a show, dollar the tax, how far you will go. She wraps all hands around that road. She lives on lives and on we go. She takes it all nice and slow. Pump dancing. She don't play nice or make me beg. She dropped that skirt around her leg. I'm sitting right by the flame. Pump dancing.
kinda getting frisky. Over with the boys, you're kinda getting tipsy. Always wanna party, could you check for yourself? And forever get in trouble, bailing me out of jail. And she's a stone cold stunner, hotter than the summer. Up in the club, every man and woman wanna think they wanna get that triple call up in my home because the porn star dancers got me in the dark. Wash your face and hair. Bending on fire, love. You all that you can. Keep me in a daydream. Far from the nightmares. 7 years of bad love. Good things in the past. You believe in things you don't understand. You gotta stop. Superstition ain't the way. He wraps all hands around that pole. He lifts all hands and on we go. He takes it all down the road. Hometown dancing. She on way down the way we went. She dropped that stone around her leg. Out in the round round the stage. Hometown dancing. A little bit warm in here, a little bit warm, but that's all right. I've had enough cold for a whole season. How about the rest of you people out there in TV land? How the hell with this, you know? Let's get some grass on. Let's see. Outside gigs, it'd be great. But it's great to be coming from you, from YouTube.
We'll do a little bit of a sing-along for you right now.
All righty.
Michael Rose. There's some counting in this too, and all you kids that went to private school to help the kids that went to public school out. We'd appreciate it. Let the bodies hit the floor. 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 All right. all for joining us here tonight. We are Hurricane Express. We had a great time being here in your living room.
And I want to thank
Wherever
Melissa,
we
my
are.
daughter, for streaming this actually on
Or your
Facebook.
or your bathroom, wherever you're watching us from.
Yes, wherever.
Well, there you go. I want to thank people at the ring for having us a great time. Hope they're again soon.
Yes, thanks a lot, guys. This is a lot of fun. Maybe we'll do this again sometime. Come out and see us somewhere. Take a look on the Facebook page, the WW page. Find out where in the great state of Wisconsin we're going to be. Once again, Mr. Jerry Unger on guitar. you.